If you're looking to generate a passive income online, this video is for you. There are many ways to make money online, but affiliate marketing remains one of the most sustainable methods. However, if you're a beginner and don't know where to start, don't worry. In this video, we will guide you on how to do affiliate marketing in an automated and effective way. You'll learn how to promote multiple products with just one link. More importantly, you'll discover a method using AI to create automatic product review videos, saving you time and effort.
To transform your living space into a smart eco-city, seamlessly stream, control, and share content from your Apple or Android devices with Apple AirPlay 2 and Chromecast. Integrate effortlessly with Apple Home, Google Assistant, and Amazon Alexa-enabled devices for the ultimate convenience.
This video is divided into 2 parts for easier follow-up and understanding. Watch until the end so you don't miss any useful information. Before we dive into today's main content, you need to register for an Amazon affiliate account, as we will focus on affiliate marketing with Amazon. Visit Amazon Associates to sign up for the partner program and get ready. In this video, I will guide you on how to package all the products you want to promote into a single link. This method not only saves you time, but also increases your chances of selling more products. Let's start our journey to effective and sustainable online income with Amazon affiliate marketing. You just need to access a special website, paste the link of any product from Amazon, and this website will automatically create an online store for you. You can promote as many products as you like, and the great thing is it's completely free. I will reveal the name of this website in a few minutes. Many celebrities have used this website, proving its credibility and effectiveness. Yes, it's Kitco. You just need to sign up for an account by entering your email and password. It's very simple and quick. Next, I will guide you on setting up your account. First, move to the top of the screen and select Edit Profile. Here, you need to set up some necessary personal information, such as first name, last name, biography, and social media links. To add credibility to your profile, you can upload a profile picture. The most important part is in the Monetize tab. Select Amazon and enter your Amazon tracking ID. After successfully registering for the Amazon Associates program, Amazon will provide you with a unique ID. This is very important as it helps you receive commissions from Amazon. After completing the information setup, we will set up your first store. Select the plus icon and then select Create a New Kit. Here, you enter your store's name and add a few lines of description to introduce the store. Now, let me guide you on how to add your first product to your store. Select Add a Product. Switch to Amazon and select any product you want to promote. Then copy the product link. Return to Kitco and paste the copied link. Enter the product name, product description, and upload the product image. Finally, select Add to Kit. You can see the product has been added to your store. For the best results, I recommend adding various products to your store. This will help increase sales opportunities and commissions from Amazon. Alright, now we will start creating product promotion videos. In this section, I will introduce you to a tool that helps create review videos from any Amazon product link. Meet Creatify AI, a platform that helps you create videos quickly, shortening the process from product discovery to purchase. With just a few simple steps, sign up for an account with email or Google account. After successfully registering, you will see Creatify AI offers special features. The first feature is the AI avatar. Here, you just need to provide your own script or use a script written by AI. If you want to use a script written by AI, simply select AI Script Writer, then enter the product name, product description, or paste the product URL here. Once you have the script, choose the male or female voice according to your preference, select the appropriate frame for social media, and finally choose a suitable avatar template or create your own avatar. After completing the setup, simply select Next and let Creatify AI do the rest. The second special feature is text-to-speech, which allows you to convert text to voice. The next feature is AI Script Writer, which allows AI to write the script for you. The final feature is batch mode, which allows you to create multiple videos at once. Alright, in today's video, we will talk about creating advertisement videos using an Amazon URL. Look on the screen, you can see URL to Video Ad Maker. For example, I want to create an ad video for the Vizio 40-inch Full HD 1080p Smart TV. Now select Create Now. Here, you will see 2 options. upload manually, and analyze URL. If you choose upload manually, you will do it manually. We will select Analyze URL. Now, simply paste the Amazon product URL here. Very simple. You will see AI has analyzed the data and received the product information. Next is the video setup. Here you can choose the aspect ratio, video length, target audience, such as outdoor enthusiasts. Finally, choose the language. In this video, we will select English. Next is the script selection. You will see 4 scripts in 4 different styles. Just select one of the 4 scripts and continue to the next step. Now, simply choose the visual style and preview.
Hey everyone, are you ready for 3 reasons why you need the Vizio 40-inch Full HD Smart TV in your life? First up, the clarity and color quality are game-changing. Thanks to full array LED backlight and active pixel tuning, the picture is jaw-droppingly clear. Second, it's smart and super easy to use. Access tons of built-in apps and stream effortlessly with Chromecast and Apple AirPlay 2. Lastly, enhance your gaming nights with HDR10 support and auto low latency mode.
If not satisfied, you can change the avatar, voice, aspect ratio, and background music. You can also manually edit. Alright, if satisfied with the video, select Render to let the tool create the video for you. You will lose 5 credits for each video if you agree to render. If you use the free version, your video will have a watermark. After agreeing to render, just wait a few minutes to get a professional product promotion video, then download it. The next step is to create a YouTube channel dedicated to promoting products and upload this video to your channel. Then, return to Kit Code. Copy your product link and paste it into the description below the video. If viewers click on the link and make a purchase, you will receive a commission from Amazon. Another tool that also allows you to create videos from product URLs is Video Magic AI. To turn your Amazon product link into a video, first click the Sign Up button and create an account. On the left side, you will see options to create videos, manage videos, and video templates. To start, select a template from the Template tab. Choose the most suitable template for you and open it. For example, I choose this template and click on it. Now, you have 2 options. First is to fetch content from the URL. With this option, you just need to enter the Amazon or Shopify product link. If you choose Enter Content manually, you will have to enter all the content manually. I will choose Fetch Content from URL. On the next page, we need to enter some information. First is the platform. Since I want to create a video from the Amazon product URL, I will choose Amazon. Next is the video name. Then, paste the product URL link into this box. First, copy the product URL from the Amazon page and paste it into Video Magic. Next, enter the keywords related to your product. For this video, I will enter keywords such as Smart TV, Smart TV Vizio 40-inch Full HD 1080p. After entering the keywords, choose one or more suitable aspect ratios. Depending on the aspect ratio you choose, the video will be optimized for use on the respective platforms. You can choose multiple aspect ratios, and Video Magic will create video versions in those ratios. I will choose the 16:9 aspect ratio. After entering all the information, scroll to the bottom of the page. Here, you will see 2 options: I'm feeling lucky and edit video content. The second option allows you to edit the content before creating the video. I will choose I'm feeling lucky. When you click I'm feeling lucky, Video Magic will start the video creation process. You can track the progress from here. This process will take about a minute. After completion, the status will change to ready. Here it is, our Amazon product review video. Amazing.
To transform your living space into a smart ecosystem, seamlessly stream, control, and share content from your Apple or Android devices with Apple AirPlay 2 and Chrome.
Now, download the video to your device. That's it. I will end the tutorial video here. I would love to hear about your experiences, so please leave a comment below if you have any questions. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any great tutorials. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next videos. Happy creating.